Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to the top left corner, go ahead and open up terminal. It can be any terminal, as long as you're able to access into the bash shell. Then once you're done here, all you got to do now is go ahead and download the package. So you want to download the package using the following instruction and commands. So you do a wget, all right, https, followed by dl.google.com/we're in Linux, okay, followed by /direct, followed by /google-chrome, all right, and then followed by the following, which is -chrome, all right, -stable _current_emd64.deb, all right, so go ahead and enter on that. So we're downloading the file, as you can see here. So once the file is completed the download, as you can see, all right, we completed the following, all right, so this has been saved now into the current directory. So what you want to do next is to be able to go ahead and install the file. So go ahead and enter apt install, all right, /google chrome stable current emd64.db, all right, go ahead and hit enter on that. So that would begin the installation instructions. So we're going to also use sudo, all right, so we are using super user, enter your password, hit enter on that. So now we're doing the installation, all right, for Chrome browser. It can be any other browsers of your choice. So the installation instruction is more or less the same. Okay, so once you're done here, all you got to do is enter Google-Chrome, all right, hit enter on that. And it states the following: do you want to make Google Chrome the default browser? Automatically send usage statistics and crash reports to Google. Click OK. That's it, we're done.